Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you all are doing good. Hope you all are resonating with the readings. So today, before we open the cards, I feel the color is light green. I feel some of you are facing off late stress related health issues. I don't see any major health issues, but stress related health issues. So that's the reason I am asking for light green color today for you all. If possible, work on Dhanvantri mantra. If you go to YouTube, you will get the Dhanvantri mantra, which will give you a lot of, relief from the health related issues that you're facing, and it will give you happiness in life. So work on Dhanvantri mantra if possible. And before we go, let's before we start the cards, I also want to tell you all to, sorry, I had to put a pause as my pets were barking suddenly. So I also want to tell you all that today, if possible, when you're chanting the Dhanvantri mantra, keep some elaichi in front of the Dhanvantri god. If you don't have the Dhanvantri yantra, then what you can do is just keep a photo in your mobile and keep a little bit of elaichi over there, and have that elaichi in your tea or milk for your health to get better and for your health to become good. So let's see what is in cards today. So I'm pulling here the first card. So the Seven of Cups has come. Let's see what is the next card that is coming. The Queen of Swords. So Seven of Cups and the Queen of Swords, both are amazing and a very different type of a combination, where I feel the Seven of Cups, lot of options in front of you. You are wondering what is the right option to take, but I feel you will be, instead of seeing options, I feel you'll be occupied with a lot of work today, and that occupied in work will somewhere make you feel engrossed, and will keep you busy, not making you to worry about everyday affairs and work wise. Queen of Swords is an amazing card. I feel things are really going to give, take you to the next step. I feel you're going to step into the next good things in your job. So upcoming week, career wise, is going to be really good. So I hope you all have a blessed and a beautiful week ahead.